challenge was easy.
Right guys, thanks to Sam, this is how you make a helicopter. You need a piece of paper, 20 centimetres by 10 centimetres. Fold your paper in half and then fold it in half the other way. You're going to cut up your first line here and stop at the middle. And those are going to be your propellers for your helicopter. So you fold one down one way, turn your paper over and fold the other one down like that. On the bottom half, you're going to draw a line 3 centimetres, a centimetre down and 3 centimetres in at each side. There's one and there's the other one. And then you're going to cut along your pencil line like that and like that. And then going to fold in to the middle your 2 bits you've just cut, and you're going to secure those with a paper clip, except I only have a hair grip. Secure it with your paper clip, fold that down that way, that down that way, and then when you let go it floats down. Thanks Sam for that. If anybody wants to show us another one next week or something different that'll take about 10 minutes, a nice sweet 10-minute make, just let me know your ideas and I'll put it on WhatsApp for everybody to know about. Thanks, see you later.